The adventure puzzle game Myst first debuted on CD-ROM in 1993 and went on to become one of the most successful PC games of all time. Since that first release, developer Cyan has tweaked, revamped, and re-released the game under many names like Real Myst and Masterpiece Edition. This latest iteration of the game is intended to be so definitive it's simply called Myst, and it lives up to that expectation. In Myst, you play a voiceless, nameless protagonist dropped onto the mysterious titular island. There are no time limits, no ways to die, and no enemies to defeat. Instead, your goal is to explore the island and its strange monuments, to solve puzzles, and unravel the murderous plot that entrapped Myst's previous inhabitants. These puzzles haven't changed in the intervening decades, but a puzzle randomization mode will slow down experienced players. One thing that hasn't changed, this game doesn't have the original's distinctive full-motion videos. The real draw of Myst has always been its beautiful, atmospheric setting, which you can take in through virtual reality or on a regular monitor. Both look great, but VR is definitely the more impressive of the two modes, where you can really immerse yourself in the experience. That said, I did run into some controller issues. I played the game both ways and found the keyboard and mouse easier on my stomach, and also still quite engrossing. This facelift makes Myst more accessible to modern players. It looks and plays like a game should in 2021, but the game is still a beguiling experience that feels both fresh and historical at the same time. It's the kind of game that will get under your skin and make you think about art and why we make it, and what responsibility humans have to the real and imaginary worlds around us. I give Myst 4.5 stars and an editor's choice. Myst is available now for $29.99 for PC, Mac, Xbox, and is for sale on Steam, GOG, and several other game stores. For more Steam game reviews and previews, check out PC Mag's Steam Curator page. And for in-depth video game talk, check out PC Mag's YouTube series, The Pop-Off.